Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can find some hidden gems directly on OpenSea and get some real live data to go based off on. I'm also going to share with you a filter that not many people actually know about that actually has helped many people and myself that I didn't even know about find some projects with real opportunity. And I'm going to share with you how you can find how you can actually flip some projects. It's just a little tip that I'll share with you as just a little bonus for sticking by. If you do like the video, let me know with a like. I really do appreciate that, and I really do appreciate the support and everything, all the subscribers that I've got lately. I really do appreciate that. Anyway, I will just get straight into the video and I'll share with you how you can do this. So the first tip is to come to OpenSea.io. Now what you do is go to, I'll just move this. So you just go to stats and then go to activity. Click on activity. The next step is to simply pick whatever event type you want. So you can find listings or sales. I personally looking at sales, but I also do listings as well to see what's getting listed as well. But I look at sales, and then the next step is I'll go to chains. Now once again, you can pick whatever chain you want, but I'm going with Ethereum because it's a popular one, as we all know. Now the next step is, all you really do now is just look down, find what you're interested in. So as you see, this has got 3 sales, so I'm interested in just looking at this project because it seems to have a little bit of activity, but I'm not going to ape into it just because it's got a lot of sales. I want to do some research into it, understand what's going on, what's causing it, why are they getting bought. So that's the first step. I'll just look at the projects that I'm interested in, look at this list, keep on loading. As you can see, it's very active. It's real live data. It's happening right now, a minute ago, all these sales a minute ago. You can even see someone that's been verified that has just bought this. Could be a good clear indication that it might be something interesting to look into. It's all these small things that you look at when you're looking at this live tab. To not saying to just ape in like I mentioned, but just look into it further. It's always worth it to look into it a bit further. So yeah, that's all I do really. I just kind of find things that I'm interested in. See, again, once again, there's 3 sales here for the same project, and it looks like two people have bought it, and then another random. So yeah, that's all I do. I just look at projects that I'm interested in and just, yeah, click on it and open it up another tab. Once I've done with that, close that because it can lag your computer a little bit. So now what I do is just look directly at the projects. I'll go hit that and click on that, just to go look at the overview of the project. So the first step is I want to see some activity of the project. So what I do is I click this bar here. So if you see the activity tab here, just click that. I want to see how active the sales are and the overall trend of it. Now if it's in a downtrend, I don't mind. I don't mind buying in the downtrend, don't mind buying in the uptrend, as long as I'm getting it at a decent price. So it seems to be pretty active, like as you can see, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. So this could be worth looking into further. And how you would do this is you can look at the overall market. First step is to look at the overall market. What's the floor price? At 0.71. So it looks like it's only a one page. I'm not sure exactly what this project is. This is where you would go into research mode and look at the website, look at the Twitter, look at their roadmap and do that sort of stuff. That's what I mean when I say research. Look at the community as well. That's what I recommend you to do, not just to straight in buy in. I also would like to favorite it just so I can go back to it later on if I want. Then, like, I'll give you another example here, another project. Once again, I'll look at the activity, see if it's active. If it's getting a lot of sales, then I might look into it further. Okay, so now I'll look at the actual floor price of the project. So this is how you can actually flip, how you can find a project that you could maybe flip or decently quick, is you click on this floor price here, click on this button here. So you click on the floor price here, see, alright, so now what you do is you type in the floor price. So you can type it in here. So what I do is click the tab here, down tab, and go to Ethereum. So what I'll do here is I'll go to 0.65 and I see another one that's 0.069. So what I'll do is 0.0669. I meant to put another 0 there. So now that I'll look at this and see how many are at the floor price. It'll give me an indication how many have to be bought up to be above the floor price that it is now. So 5, 6, 7. So 6 have to be bought up to be above the 0.6 0.9 floor price pretty much. So that's how you can easily find a project that has potential that you can flip. Let's say there's only like 2 that are floor price. It might be worth just buying those 2 and listing one or listing them both at like higher price and just get that quick flip if you want to get that quick flip. You could also hold it for long term if you want. That's totally up to you, but that's how you can do it. That's one way you can do it. You could also even sometimes snipe a rare one. So let's click on this one and just look at the rare properties here, see if they've got any rare traits. So 2% and 3%, that's not too bad, but normally the really rare ones are 0.6 or 1%. 1% is pretty good too, or having multiple like 2%, 1%, that could be pretty rare as well. But there's another way that I actually use to find out if it's a rare project, if it's a rare one. So how you can do this is typing in rarity, so this tab here, rarity, and you do this from going to the rarity check here, the chat, and then just typing in the actual project name, Deluxe Bears, putting in there, and then the ID, which ID is always located at here, so 4470. I also want to mention that this doesn't always have all projects. As you can see, it doesn't actually have this project, so that's fine. You will just have to do it based on doing research and seeing what rarities there are. So this could take a long time, a lot of time to actually do this, but you will be rewarded. So what I mean is looking at all the rarities overall, seeing what's actually pretty rare. Some will stand out to you, and you can do this by just looking at the highest priced ones, doing this tab here. So where is it? So this tab here, you can just do high to low, and you can even find what's really rare. It'll stand out most likely, as you can see, a crown maybe. So that's one way you can do it. Finding rare traits and just either holding or flipping or buying out the floor and selling at a higher price. That's an easy way to do to flip. If you believe in the project, like I mentioned, you have to do more research into it. I will leave a link to everything that I mentioned in this video. If you guys enjoy the video, let me know. Hit the like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the description. I hope you guys learned something, and thanks for watching.